بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم. أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا وهم لا يفتنون.
Do people have this perception that they will be left alone just by declaring we believe and they will not be tested?
وَلَقَدْ فَتَنَّا الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِمْ فَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ صَدَقُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْكَاذِبِينَ.
We indeed tested those before them. Allah will henceforth definitely observe the truthful and will definitely observe the liars.
أَمْ حَسِبَ الَّذِينَ يَعْمَلُونَ السَّيِّئَاتِ أَن يَسْبِقُونَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ.
Or do those who commit evil deeds think that they can escape from us somehow? What an evil judgment they pass.
من كان يرجو لقاء الله فإن أجل الله لآت وهو السميع العليم.
Whosoever hopes to meet Allah, so indeed the appointed term by Allah is definitely to come, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
وَمَن جَاهَدَ فَإِنَّمَا يُجَاهِدُ لِنَفْسِهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَغَنِيٌّ عَنِ الْعَالَمِينَ.
And whosoever strives in the path of Allah, he strives for his own benefit only. Indeed, Allah is independent from all the worlds.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَنُكَفِّرَنَّ عَنْهُمْ سَيِّئَاتِهِمْ وَلَنَجْزِيَنَّهُمْ أَحْسَنَ الَّذِي كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ.
And those who believed and did good deeds, we will definitely remove from them their sins and definitely reward them for the best of all their deeds.
وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ لِتُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا إِلَيَّ مَرْجِعُكُمْ فَأُنَبِّئُكُم بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
We have emphasized upon man to show kindness towards his parents. And if they strive to make you ascribe a partner with me, about which you do not have any knowledge, do not therefore obey them. Only towards me is your return. I will henceforth inform you of what you used to do.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَنُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ فِي الصَّالِحِينَ.
And those who believed and did good deeds, we shall definitely include them among the virtuous.
وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ فَإِذَا أُوذِيَ فِي اللَّهِ جَعَلَ فِتْنَةَ النَّاسِ كَعَذَابِ اللَّهِ وَلَئِن جَاءَ نَصْرٌ مِّن رَّبِّكَ لَيَقُولُنَّ إِنَّا كُنَّا مَعَكُمْ أَوَلَيْسَ اللَّهُ بِأَعْلَمَ بِمَا فِي صُدُورِ الْعَالَمِينَ.
And some people say, we believe in Allah, when they are then afflicted with some adversity in the path of Allah. They therefore consider the chaos created by people equal to the punishment from Allah. And if help comes from your Lord, they will hence definitely say, we were with you only. Does Allah not know well what is in the hearts of the entire creation?
وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ.
And Allah will definitely make known the believers, and He will definitely expose the hypocrites.
وقال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا اتبعوا سبيلنا ولنحمل خطاياكم وما هم بحاملين من خطاياهم من شيء إنهم لكاذبون.
And the disbelievers said to the Muslims, "Follow our path and we will bear your sins," whereas they will not bear anything from their sins. They are indeed liars.
وَلَيَحْمِلُنَّ أَثْقَالَهُمْ وَأَثْقَالًا مَعَ أَثْقَالِهِمْ وَلَيُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ عَمَّا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ.
And undoubtedly, they will definitely bear their own burdens and some other burdens along with their own burdens. And they will definitely be questioned on the day of resurrection concerning whatever they used to fabricate.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَى قَوْمِهِ فَلَبِثَ فِيهِمْ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ إِلَّا 50 عَامًا فَأَخَذَهُمُ الطُّوفَانُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
And we indeed sent Nuh to his nation. He hence stayed with them for 1,000 years minus 50 years. So the flood seized them, and they were unjust.
فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَصْحَابَ السَّفِينَةِ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا آيَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ.
So we rescued him and the people in the ark, and made the event of the ark a sign for the entire world.
وَإِبْرَاهِيمَ إِذْ قَالَ لِقَوْمِهِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاتَّقُوهُ ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ.
And remember Ibrahim when he said to his people, "Worship Allah and fear Him. This is better for you if you knew."
إنما تعبدون من دون الله أوثانا وتخلقون إفكا إن الذين تعبدون من دون الله لا يملكون لكم رزقا فابتغوا عند الله الرزق واعبدوه واشكروا له إليه ترجعون.
You therefore worship only idols instead of Allah and forge a clear lie. Indeed, those whom you worship instead of Allah are not at all the owner of your sustenance. Therefore, seek sustenance from Allah and worship Him and be grateful to Him. You are to return towards only Him.
وَإِن تُكَذِّبُوا فَقَدْ كَذَّبَ مِن قَبْلِكُمْ وَمَا عَلَى الرَّسُولِ إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
And if you belie, so many nations have belied before you, and the messenger is not responsible except to clearly convey the message.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا كَيْفَ يُبْدِئُ اللَّهُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ إِنَّ ذَلِكَ عَلَى اللَّهِ يَسِيرٌ.
Have they not seen how Allah originates creation, then will create it again? Indeed, that is very easy for Allah.
قُلْ سِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ فَانظُرُوا كَيْفَ بَدَأَ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ اللَّهُ يُنشِئُ النَّشْأَةَ الْآخِرَةَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ.
Say you, O beloved, travel in the land, see how He initially creates, then Allah brings forth the second growth. Indeed, Allah is able to do all things.
يُعَذِّبُ مَن يَشَاءُ وَيَرْحَمُ مَن يَشَاءُ وإليه تقلبون.
He punishes whomever He wills and has mercy upon whomsoever He wills. And towards only Him you are to return.
وما أنتم بمعجزين في الأرض ولا في السماء وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير.
Neither can you escape from His control in the earth nor in the sky. And for you, other than Allah, there is neither any problem solver nor any helper.
والذين كفروا بآيات الله ولقائه أولئك يئسوا من رحمتي وأولئك لهم عذاب أليم.
And those who did not believe in my verses and in meeting me are only those who have no hope of my mercy, and for them is a painful punishment.
فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا اقتلوه أو حرقوه فأنجاه الله من النار إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
So his people could not answer him except to say this, kill him or burn him. Allah henceforth rescued him from the fire. Indeed, in this are definitely signs for the believers.
وقال إنما اتخذتم من دون الله أوثانا مودة بينكم في الحياة الدنيا ثم يوم القيامة يكفر بعضكم ببعض ويلعن بعضكم بعضا ومأواكم النار وما لكم من ناصرين.
And Ibrahim said, "You have chosen idols instead of Allah, with whom your friendship is only in the life of this world. Then on the day of resurrection, one will deny the other, and one will curse the other. And the abode for all of you is hell, and you do not have any supporter."
فآمن له لوط وقال إني مهاجر إلى ربي إنه هو العزيز الحكيم.
So Lut believed in him, Ibrahim, and Ibrahim said, "I am migrating towards my Lord. Indeed, only He is the dignified, the wise."
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب وجعلنا في ذريته النبوة والكتاب وآتيناه أجره في الدنيا وإنه في الآخرة لمن الصالحين.
And we bestowed Ishaq and Yaqub to him, and kept prophethood and the book amongst his children, and we granted him his reward in the world, and he will indeed be amongst those who deserve our special proximity in the hereafter.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه إنكم لتأتون الفاحشة ما سبقكم بها من أحد من العالمين.
And we rescued Lut when he said to his people, "You indeed commit a shameful act which no one in creation has ever done before you.
أئنكم لتأتون الرجال وتقطعون السبيل وتأتون في ناديكم المنكر فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا ائتنا بعذاب الله إن كنت من الصادقين.
Do you commit the shameless act with men and cut off paths, i.e., commit robbery, and you utter evils in your gathering? So his people had no answer except to say this: bring the punishment of Allah upon us if you are truthful.
قال رب انصرني على القوم المفسدين.
He submitted, O my Lord, help me against these corrupt people.
ولما جاءت رسلنا إبراهيم بالبشرى قالوا إنا مهلكو أهل هذه القرية إن أهلها كانوا ظالمين.
And when our angels came with glad tidings to Ibrahim, they said, we will definitely destroy the people of this town. Indeed, its residents are unjust.
قال إن فيها لوطا قالوا نحن أعلم بمن فيها لننجينه وأهله إلا امرأته كانت من الغابرين.
He, Ibrahim, said, Lut is in it. They said, we know very well whatever is in it. We shall definitely rescue him and his family, except his wife. She is amongst those who remain behind.
جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقالوا لا تخف ولا تحزن إنا منجوك وأهلك إلا امرأتك كانت من الغابرين.
And when our angel came to Lut, he was unhappy at the arrival and felt sad because of them. And they said, do not fear nor grieve. We will definitely rescue you and your family, except your wife. She is of those who remain behind.
إنا منزلون على أهل هذه القرية رجزا من السماء بما كانوا يفسقون.
Indeed, we are going to bring down a punishment from the sky upon the residents of this town, the recompense of their disobedience.
وَلَقَدْ تَرَكْنَا مِنْهَا آيَةً بَيِّنَةً لِقَوْمٍ يَعْقِلُونَ.
And we have undoubtedly kept from it a clear sign for the people of intellect.
وإلى مدين أخاهم شعيبا فقال يا قوم اعبدوا الله وارجوا اليوم الآخر ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
And we sent towards Madian their compatriot Shuaib. He therefore said, O my people, worship Allah and anticipate the last day, and do not roam the earth spreading turmoil.
فكذبوه فأخذتهم الرجفة فأصبحوا في دارهم جاثمين.
So they denied him. Thereupon the earthquake seized them. So in the morning they remained lying dead on their knees in their homes.
وعادا وثمود وقد تبين لكم من مساكنهم وزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فصدهم عن السبيل وكانوا مستبصرين.
And we destroyed the tribes of Ad and Thamud, and you have already come to know their dwellings. The devil made their deeds appear good to them and prevented them from the straight path, and they could perceive between right and wrong.
وقارون وفرعون وهامان ولقد جاءهم موسى بالبينات فاستكبروا في الأرض وما كانوا سابقين.
And we destroyed Qarun, Fir'aun and Haman, and Musa indeed came to them with clear signs. So they were arrogant in the land, and they were not to escape from us.
فكلا أخذنا بذنبه فمنهم من من أرسلنا عليه حاصبا ومنهم من أخذته الصيحة ومنهم من خسفنا به الأرض ومنهم من أغرقنا وما كان الله ليظلمهم ولكن كانوا أنفسهم يظلمون.
Henceforth, we caught each one upon his sin. Consequently, amongst them is the one upon whom we sent a shower of stones, and amongst them is the one who was seized by the scream, and amongst them is the one whom we caused to sink in the earth, and amongst them is the one whom we drowned. It did not befit Allah's majesty to oppress them. Yes, they were transgressing their own souls.
مثل الذين اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء كمثل العنكبوت اتخذت بيتا وإن أوهن البيوت لبيت العنكبوت لو كانوا يعلمون.
The example of those who have chosen masters other than Allah is like that of a spider. It makes its house of web, and indeed the weakest house of all is that of a spider. How nice it would have been for them if only they knew.
إن الله يعلم ما يدعون من دونه من شيء وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Allah knows what they worship instead of Him. Only He is the dignified, the wise.
وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس وما يعقلها إلا العالمون.
And we illustrate these examples for the people, and no one understands them except the people of knowledge.
خلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين.
Allah created the heavens and the earth with truth. Indeed, in this is a sign for the Muslims.
أتل ما أوحي إليك من الكتاب وأقم الصلاة إن الصلاة تنهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر ولذكر الله أكبر والله يعلم ما تصنعون.
O beloved, recite the book which has been revealed to you and establish Salah. Indeed, Salah stops indecency and evil. And indeed, the remembrance of Allah is the greatest, and Allah knows what you do.
ولا تجادلوا أهل الكتاب إلا بالتي هي أحسن إلا الذين ظلموا منهم وقولوا آمنا بالذي أنزل إلينا وأنزل إليكم وإلهنا وإلهكم واحد ونحن له مسلمون.
And O Muslims, do not dispute with the people of the book, but in the best manner, except with those amongst them who oppress. And say to them, we believe in what has been sent down towards us, and what has been sent towards you, and our and your God is one, and we have submitted ourselves to Him.
وكذلك أنزلنا إليك الكتاب فالذين آتيناهم الكتاب يؤمنون به ومن هؤلاء من يؤمن به وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الكافرون.
And this is how we sent down the book, i.e., the Quran to you, O beloved. So those to whom we previously gave the book believe in it, and some amongst these people of Makkah are those who believe in it, and no one rejects our verses except the disbelievers.
وما كنت تتلو من قبله من كتاب ولا تخطه بيمينك إذا لارتاب المبطلون.
And O beloved, you are not reading any book before it, nor writing anything with your own hand. In that case, the people of falsehood would have definitely doubted.
بل هو آيات بينات في صدور الذين أوتوا العلم وما يجحد بآياتنا إلا الظالمون.
Rather, there are clear verses in the hearts of those who have been given knowledge, and no one denies our verses except the unjust.
وقالوا لولا أنزل عليه آيات من ربه قل إنما الآيات عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين.
And they said, why did some signs not come down to him from his Lord? Say you, O beloved, these signs are only with Allah, and I am purely a clear warner.
أولم يكفهم أنا أنزلنا عليك الكتاب يتلى عليهم إن في ذلك لرحمة وذكرى لقوم يؤمنون.
Is it not enough for them that we have sent down the book upon you, which is read to them? Indeed, therein is mercy and advice for the believers.
قل كفى بالله بيني وبينكم شهيدا يعلم ما في السماوات والأرض والذين آمنوا بالباطل وكفروا بالله أولئك هم الخاسرون.
Say you, O beloved, Allah is sufficient as a witness between me and you. He knows whatever is in the heavens and in the earth, and those who believed in falsehood and disbelieved in Allah, it is they who are in loss.
ويستعجلونك بالعذاب ولولا أجل مسمى لجاءهم العذاب وليأتينهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
And they urge you to hasten the punishment, and if a time had not been fixed for their punishment, the punishment would have therefore certainly come upon them, and it will definitely come upon them all of a sudden, whilst they will be unaware.
يستعجلونك بالعذاب وإن جهنم لمحيطة بالكافرين.
They urge you to hasten the punishment, and indeed hell has surrounded the disbelievers.
يوم يغشاهم العذاب من فوقهم ومن تحت أرجلهم ويقول ذوقوا ما كنتم تعملون.
The day when the punishment will encircle them from above them and from below their feet, and he will say, taste the flavor of your deeds.
يا عبادي الذين آمنوا إن أرضي واسعة فإياي فاعبدون.
O my bondsmen who believe, indeed my earth is spacious, so worship only me.
كل نفس ذائقة الموت ثم إلينا ترجعون.
Every soul must taste the flavor of death, then only towards us you will return.
والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لنبوئنهم من الجنة غرفا تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها نعم أجر العاملين.
And indeed, those who believed and did good deeds, we will definitely place them on upper chambers of paradise, beneath which rivers would be flowing. They shall live therein forever. What an excellent reward of the doers of good.
الذين صبروا وعلى ربهم يتوكلون.
Those who practiced patience and who rely upon only their Lord.
وكأي من دابة لا تحمل رزقها الله يرزقها وإياكم وهو السميع العليم.
And how many are there who walk upon the earth without having their sustenance with them? Allah provides the sustenance to them and to you, and only He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ولئن سألتهم من خلق السماوات والأرض وسخر الشمس والقمر ليقولن الله فأنى يؤفكون.
And if you ask them, who created the heavens and the earth and made the sun and the moon subservient? So they will definitely say Allah. So to where are they turning away?
الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده ويقدر له إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah increases the sustenance for whomsoever He wills amongst His bondsmen and restricts it for whomever He wills. Indeed, Allah knows everything.
ولئن سألتهم من نزل من السماء ماء فأحيا به الأرض من بعد موتها ليقولن الله قل الحمد لله بل أكثرهم لا يعقلون.
And if you ask them, who sent down water from the sky, so He thereby revived the earth after its death? So they will definitely say, Allah, you proclaim, all praise is due to Allah. Rather, most of them are unintelligent.
وما هذه الحياة الدنيا إلا لهو ولعب وإن الدار الآخرة لهي الحيوان لو كانوا يعلمون.
And this worldly life is nothing but amusement and play, and indeed the abode of the hereafter, only that is definitely the true life. How nice would it have been for them if they knew.
فإذا ركبوا في الفلك دعوا الله مخلصين له الدين فلما نجاهم إلى البر إذا هم يشركون.
And when they board the boats, they call upon Allah, purely believing in only Him. Then, when He brings them safely to the land, they immediately begin ascribing partners to Him.
ليكفروا بما آتيناهم وليتمتعوا فسوف يعلمون.
That they may be ungrateful of our favors and benefit. Thus, they will soon come to know.
أولم يروا أنا جعلنا حرما آمنا ويتخطف الناس من حولهم أفبالباطل يؤمنون وبنعمة الله يكفرون.
Did they not observe that we have created the sacred land as refuge, and people around them get snatched away? So, do they believe in falsehood, and are they ungrateful of the favors of Allah?
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أو كذب بالحق لما جاءه أليس في جهنم مثوى للكافرين.
And who is more unjust than the one who fabricates lie against Allah or belies the truth when it comes to him? Is there no place in hell for the disbelievers?
والذين جاهدوا فينا لنهدينهم سبلنا وإن الله لمع المحسنين.
And those who struggled in our way, we shall definitely show them our paths. And indeed, Allah is with the virtuous.
صدق الله العظيم.